What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Jibby's Garage. Getting after to get on the garage, obviously. So last time we finished up the back wall and stuff and put some paper on. Still gonna wait on that wall there, but today it's Sunday, so we're going to the garage church. We're gonna be working on this part here. I already kind of like got started and then realized I should probably maybe pull out the camera so you guys can see what's going on. So gonna just do this front face and then maybe peel this stuff today and get the OSB done. So I'll try to post up a little time lapse here of my progress, and we'll get to it. All right, so just pulled that, and that front OSB sheathing and siding came out in like probably 4 minutes flat. Ninja kicked the wall out and we're already down there. So now we're gonna get the rest of this and pull all these nails and stuff, make sure everything's flat on the surface. See how there's a nail there? Looks like you can't see it, but get this surface flat and ready to put a fresh sheet of OSB up on. Alright guys, so got most of this stuff like torn down. Got like a couple of these to address these little pieces of sheathing that I need to get out, but all that's gone. I'm gonna use the Sawzall to cut off all the nails and stuff. You can see like right there, like this nail is gonna impede the new sheathing from going in, so we'll just cut it. Got one there, cut that. So we'll cut those out so that they can fit. Found some more stuff I'm gonna have to replace, so I'm gonna probably run to Lowe's real quick and grab some more studs, because as you can see, this is pretty torn up. This needs to be treated wood. So I'm going to completely redo this corner. So we're on the way back from Lowe's. Got some studs, got some liquid nails for that corner where we're gonna put the treated wood down, where you saw that I pointed out the wood rot and possible termite damage there. So yeah, so we're gonna be getting that together. Hopefully I can get all this done before the Chiefs game here. It's at like 3 o'clock and right now it's 11:15. So yeah, let's get after it. Alright, so I'm about to cut out this nasty stuff right here. So cutting this stud out, and probably this, and there's a bolt there, so I got to get that undone somehow. stud fell and just exploded a bottle everywhere. Oh, bug and tar remover everywhere. Oh well. Well, stud's out, so that's good. So I'm pretty lucky. I got this little bit of treated wood left, and I didn't pick up any at Lowe's, and just enough. So that's nice. So I only got to make it to this stud, and it ends there. So from there to there, I got an extra 6 inches or so. So I'm gonna replace that. I'm gonna see if I can pull this stud off, but it might be a little stubborn. All right, so I cut this down like an inch because it was hitting this bolt here. So this is where we're at now. Got a little bit of clearance now. There is a little bit of lift here on this, and you know, I'm thinking I might as well just cut it down to where it sits flat there, and just tie it in somehow with some studs over the top, because that gap is just way too big. So I'm going to cut it down real quick, and then we're going to use this liquid nails here. This is going to seal right under there so that nothing gets through. All right, y'all, so I got it to a point where I'm gonna call it quits because I want to watch some football, but got this all cut and put in. I'm not gonna tack it in because I have some work to do down here to make these lines kind of match up, so I'm gonna call it for now, but everything else is done. So yep, also I kind of put my air compressor through the ringer, so we're just gonna call it. But yeah, we got that side's now done with fresh OSB. This side's done with fresh OSB. So good progress so far. But yeah, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching Jibby's Garage. Give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.